Hello, Primetimers. Welcome to Primetime. I am Mrs. Kelm. I'm so glad that you're here. If you attend open house night, you will see this information, but shorter when we come together. And yeah, let's get started. If you can't make it to open house or you just want a sneak peek, here comes what you'll learn. So we will have for open house night a schedule that looks like this. The first chunk of time, just over an hour and a half, is teachers available in their rooms. It gives you guys a chance to wander the building, meet teachers as you'd like to, drop stuff off at your locker, take your pictures, do all that stuff. Then in the middle of open house, we'll pause and we'll do a mock schedule. A mock schedule is a chance for you to go to each one of your classes in the order that the day is going to happen, and you'll have prime time in between, the normal 5 minutes of passing time in between. Now, the difference is that on open house night, everybody in the building is moving at one time, plus their parents and their siblings and their guardians and grandma and grandpa and whoever else is coming with to open house. So the hallways are busy, and a good portion of our building doesn't know like how they're getting places. They don't know where they're going. So if the mock schedule feels a little crazy, overwhelming for you, just do the drop-in time instead. And that again is at the start of open house and at the end of open house, and then it's less of being like on a timed schedule. So pick the format that works best for you. Go to all of them if you'd like to, but find the best format for your family. So I already introduced myself. I'm Mrs. Kelm. This is my 23rd year of teaching, my 6th year here at BCMS. Prior to that, I was in St. Michael. You can see on the slide what my background is, what my education has been, and this picture on the slide, that's my family. I have 2 middle schoolers this year. I'll have a 6th grader and an 8th grader, and then I have a daughter who's moving into 12th grade. These are some of the areas of interest that I am spending some time learning more about. I'm always learning as an adult, and I would encourage you to do the same. Find your areas of passion. So a popular question that I get asked is, what is prime time? It's actually an acronym that stands for putting relationships in my education to improve my existence. But the short answer is it's kind of like homeroom, but here at BCMS, and that seems to make the most sense to people. It typically happens on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Fridays. I am 90% sure that's what the schedule is going to look like for prime time this year. But check your planners. Your planners that we get in prime time will always have like, is it prime time or win that day? It'll have it inside of your planners. And whether it's prime time or win, they both start at 8:50. That's when the first bell will ring. And prime time is for grades 6th, 7th, and 8th. So once you join our prime time in 6th grade, you'll get to have me for the next 3 years. If you are a move-in kid, let's say you move in as a 7th grader, then you'll be with me for 7th and 8th grade. And of course, if you join me for 8th grade, you just have me for the 1 year. So if you want to pause the video, you sure can, and this will break down the difference between prime time and win. They have different purposes, and they do not meet on the same day. They meet on opposite days. Things you should bring with you to prime time. I usually tell my students your bison binder should go with you everywhere, including to prime time, and that already has something to write with inside of it, so that makes it a little bit easier. And if you want to bring a book to read, more power to you. That's always a good thing to have in your binder. What do we do in prime time? Well, it depends on the day. If it's a lesson day, we get organized, we check our grades, we get registered for WIN. New this year, we'll be journaling on some social emotional topics, and then we'll continue with our Character Strong lessons as well. If it's a Friday, chances are good we are doing some community building and we're playing a game together as a prime time. Sometimes they're board games, sometimes they're get outside games like kickball. If you are one of my returning primetime kids, you know how much we love Night at the Museum, and a request was made for actual flashlights. I've got actual flashlights, yes! So that'll be big fun this year. And if you know of games that we should be playing in primetime, by all means, let us know, and we'd love to learn from you. Primetime is a graded class. You get graded, though, a little bit differently than your other classes. You can see here what the grading looks like for primetime. And speaking of grades, you can check your grades in Infinite Campus. That's a big change from elementary school in that you can always see live time updates on how the gradebook looks across all of your classes. And families are encouraged to sign up for portal access so that they can keep an eye on how their students are doing. But really, middle schoolers, This is your job, now that you're in middle school, to keep track of how you're doing and be responsible for your education, and we will work on that together in prime time. You can join our virtual classroom. We have a Google Classroom, so I've already sent out invites for that. Go ahead and click on join. If you need to contact me, here's my contact info, and you'll have a chance at open house night to ask questions of me in person. I have a map of the school here, but I also have it in Google Classroom. This map is 90% accurate, and that 90% of the school is exactly like it was last year. The one big exception is the 10%, the office square up front. That's totally different, totally overhauled, and we haven't gotten a new fresh map yet. So this is the map. I'm in room 600. That's where you can find me, right on the corner. I don't know yet how they're going to invite you guys into the building for open house. I'm hoping that the office area is open and you can come in the main doors, but we'll see. But if you're looking for me, I'll be on my normal corner, room 600. That's where you can find me. And I believe that's everything. So I hope to see you at open house night. If not, I'll see you on the first day of school.